everybody, this is Bonnie from Bonnie's Creative Plates, and I am scrapbooking some of my Christmas cookie decorating that I did with my kids in 2023. And I just did this kind of layout with leftover paper from the Reindeer Memories and More pages. And yeah, and then I did a little bit of die cutting with a stamp set, that I had. I put all my little extra stuff in there, and I did some die cutting out of this ahead of time. Very basic. I just die cut it in the designer series paper, and then I did a mint and a plain, and then I did all this other stuff in white, and then I just colored them with the blends just to keep it very simple, and it was very easy and quick to get done. So now I'm going to put this together. If I do anything, I'll explain it at the end, but I'm just going to fast forward. I hope you enjoy. I'll talk to you soon. Okay, this is page 1 when I put my page protector on, and I will open this up and this will be permanently attached there, and I will have a thing that says lift so that people will know I put it on the outside of this, and then this will be on the outside of the page protector. Now this is page 1 to my cookie set. Now I'm going to flip this over because now I have enough to do a 2-page spread here. And I'm going to do a 2-page spread. So this is the 2 pages going together in one spread. Let me zoom out. Oops, sorry. So here you go. This is page 1. I will probably put a little journal box there. I have, or a title there, like Let's Get Baking or whatever. And this is going to go here, and it's going to have a little lift like I did on the first one. And then this is the second page of the 2-page spread. And oh, I did this one a little wrong. I wasn't thinking about it. I'm going to have to fix this. I don't know how I'm going to do it, so that'll be off camera. I'll take a photo and show you, because I was not thinking. This has a, unless I cut this one. Ooh, that's what I might do. There might be I'll show you what I do in the end, because I wasn't thinking. So I'm going to pause the camera. I'm going to put these all in the page protector so I can put the rest of these photos on the front of them. And I will show you what I end up doing with this when I'm done. Okay. Okay, everybody, here it is. It's all done with the little cookie making time. And I haven't journaled, but I put the little lift on there, and this opens up, and right here is going to be my journal box. I'm just going to, you know, we had a great time, and it was a lot of fun. And so I'm going to put that there. And then you turn the page. And then here I've done this one, and then right here is the little lift, so you can open up. I had so many pictures, and I really did not want to cut any of them out. So this really, I love these things because I love to put lots of pictures in my albums. And then for this one that I screwed up, remember, and I put the sticky on it. Also, I screwed up. I changed it off camera. I put the picture that I wanted on top down first, so I had to take them off and refix them. But what I did was I just had another one of these little aprons, and I ended up going ahead and just cutting it, so it kind of like lines up there. I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but it lines up, and then when you lift it, the apron is still there. So that's what I did there. And then this one also lifts up. So that is my cookie one, using leftover scraps from the reindeers. And you can do this. There's still a ton left, more in there, and I could still have more pages. So I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, thanks for stopping by. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye-bye.